Hello dears, how are you? Fine? My name is Prasad, science teacher. In previous class, we learned about Part-1, Nature of Substances. In this class, we do an activity. In this activity, which substances have sour taste? Why? Tomato juice, curd, raw mango, amla and orange juice have sour taste because they contain acids. Acids present in different fruits like citric acid present in lemons, tartaric acid present in tamarind, malic acid present in apple, oxalic acid present in tomato. You have learned about vitamin C in previous lesson, that is food for health. Ascorbic acid is also called as vitamin C. It is available in citrus fruits and amla, that is usuri. You might have observed that some acids are used in cleaning of toilets. What do you observe when an acid is poured on the bathroom floor? Generally, hydrochloric acid is used for bathroom cleaning. It liberates thick fumes and pungent smell when poured on the floor. Have you seen batteries being used in vehicles? Which chemical is used in batteries? Sulfuric acid is used in batteries. Some acids like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid are known as mineral acids or synthetic acids because they are prepared artificially from minerals which are extracted from the earth. Have you ever drunk a soda or a cool drink? Soda water and cool drinks contain carbonic acids. Carbonic acids are prepared by adding carbon dioxide to water. Now let us find out substance other than acids. Okay friends, we can learn another topic in the next class. Thank you for watching.